Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. Open the Uber Eats app and go to Orders. Once there, tap the specific order to view its current status and items. If it shows accepted or preparing, you can usually request cancellation. If it's already on the way, you'll need to follow the delivery cancellation path. Make sure your payment method and receipt are visible, because you'll use them for refund confirmation. Also note the restaurant's name and ETA so you can explain clearly when prompted. Once you're on the order screen, tap Cancel Order and pick the most accurate reason, wrong item, change of plans, or order mistake. The app shows whether a full refund is possible. Choose Refund if available. If cancellation isn't offered, use the Help or Contact Support button to start an in-app chat or call. Explain what happened and reference the ETA and receipt. Make sure to be concise and polite, because support can reverse charges faster with clear facts. After requesting cancellation, watch for the confirmation notice and email. Once done, verify the refund timeline in your receipt or bank. If you were charged and a refund doesn't appear within the stated window, open Help, go to Past Orders, and choose Issue with Order to escalate. Make sure to attach screenshots, the transaction ID, and any messages. If the delivery is already en route, ask support to contact the driver immediately. Otherwise, consider disputing the charge with your bank if unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.